Alright guys, what we're going to show you today is how to get rid of the dreaded Windows 10 Start menu and go into more of a classic Start menu or Windows 7 style Start menu. The first thing you want to do is open your chosen browser, and we want to go to classicshell.net. Hit the download now button, and down here you want to click on, if you prefer English, you want to click on the Windows Installer English. If not, choose your preferred language. This will start the download. It'll be in this bottom tray down here if you're using Google Chrome. If you're using Firefox, it'll be up here on a little arrow, a down arrow with a line on it. Click on the installer. Next, I accept the terms. Next, the default location is just fine. Next, and install. You may get a, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click yes. You don't need to read the README file, and click finish. Now, it'll look like nothing's changed till you click down here. The first time you run this, it may come up with a window that says, what style do you want? If so, choose Microsoft Windows 7 and then click OK. After that, you'll be able to click down here and you'll have a start menu with your username, documents, pictures, music, this PC, control panel, PC settings, devices and printers, etc., and also the all programs area for all your programs. I hope this video is helpful. You guys have a good day. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.